By now, you've heard of reduce, reuse, recycle. But how about reincarnate? See, lots of stuff is recyclable, but not much goes full circle to be used again, and again. So we thought we'd shake things up a bit and create a new bottle, or better yet, reincarnate one. Introducing the Naked Renewal Bottle. It's a bottle made from other bottles, and can come back as a bottle after you've enjoyed the delicious drink inside. We're stoked! The impact? Ginormous! By 2010, all of our juices will be rocking the new look, and our oil consumption will be down by 57,000 barrels a year. That's like taking 3,460 cars off the road. Oh, we'll also be using 48% less energy than if we started with virgin plastic. Not bad for a little juice company from SoCal, huh? Same delicious 100% fruit smoothies, only now more responsible. Do you believe in bottle reincarnation? We do.